In this video, we're going to show you how to download, install the Daemon and Simple wallet for Pinkstarcoin and create a wallet as well as transfer some coins. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to labbinarymining.com. On the right hand side, you're going to see Pinkstarcoin mining guide. Go ahead and click on that. This first link right here will download the Daemon and wallet software. Once this finishes, go ahead and extract this into our C drive, lab binary mining folder, Pinkstarcoin folder, and click once on the Daemon wallet to highlight it. Go ahead and let it extract. Once that completes, we're going to go to our lab binary mining folder, Pinkstarcoin, Daemon wallet. This is the folder we just extracted, so we're going to go ahead and open that. And the first thing we're going to do is click on the Pinkstarcoin D. This is the Daemon. You may get a warning asking for internet access for this file. Just go ahead and allow the access for the Daemon. The first time you run this, it's going to take a few minutes to download the entire blockchain. Once it's completely downloaded the entire blockchain, you'll get a message saying you are now synchronized with the network. You may start Simple Wallet. So that's what we'll do. We'll start simplewallet.exe, which is right here. You can press O to open, G to generate a new wallet. So we're going to generate a new wallet first. G, enter. You're going to put in a wallet name here. It's going to ask for a password. Go ahead and put a password of your choice. When it completely makes the wallet, you're going to get two keys here. You're going to get your wallet address and your view key. I would suggest making a file. We're going to go to new text document, call this key. We're going to put in wallet address. Copy and paste that in. We're going to view key. We're going to double click here to get the whole thing. Control C to copy. Come back over to your key.txt. Control V as in Victor to paste. We're going to then save this file, so it's saved. I would not suggest keeping this file on your computer. The best way to do it is to take this and put this onto a USB drive and off the computer. This keeps it 100% secure. We're going to just leave it here for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so we've got our wallet made. We have our keys. To make a transfer, it's pretty simple. You type the word transfer. That's the transfer command. Next, you'll need a mix-in number. This is a privacy coin, so there is a mix-in number attached to it. We're going to use 0, which means it doesn't hide the transfer. It doesn't mix it up with other transfers, making it harder to find out who actually sent it. Next, you're going to put in the wallet address of whatever the coins you want to send to. So let's say you have a buddy's wallet address or maybe an exchange wallet address. You're going to put that in here. And then you're going to put the amount of coins. So for example, 100 coins we're going to send. Just press enter and that will go. It's going to error out, of course, because there's no... oh, I typed transfer wrong. So it's going to error out. Obviously, there's no address there. There's no coins there. But this is the syntax for sending a transfer. It's transfer, 0 or mix-in number, your wallet address, and the amount of coins.